welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video mga kalendi, tayo ay nandarito sa Star Mall, San Jose del Monte para umattend sa Crest Summer Saya Tourism Expo. Dahil ang ating pinagtatrabahuhan na travel agency ay kasama sa mga booth na magtatayo dito sa Tourism Expo, ang NST Travel and Tour. So everyone mga kalendi, samahan niyo ako sa day 1 at 3 ng kanilang Tourism Expo. Let's go! At ito ang booth ng NST Travel and Tour. Ang kanilang motto or theme is a tourist bus. Siyempre related sa field trip. The event should start with a prayer. Siyempre para blessed tayo and guided by our dear Lord.
Maraming salamat. I'm so happy for being here this morning sa ating Crest Summer Saya 2026 Tourism Expo. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa.
And that is Sir Robert, the Tourism President of San Jose del Monte. And now, here are the officers and members of Crest San Jose del Monte. And here are the intermission numbers na talagang mag-aaliw sa atin throughout the whole program. Ang mga cultural music and cultural dances. Enjoy!
Ilan lamang sa mga members ng ating Tacloban Tour Guides Association, the DOT accredited ng Department of Tourism accredited tour guides.
So during our Make My Dear Tourists, thousands of devotees visits here as part of their visiting iglesia. Alright, my dear tourists, you can roam around the area. As you roam around the area, my dear tourists, you will notice the grotto religious store beside the shrine. So in the grotto religious store, you can buy some souvenirs or rosaries. Aside from that, don't forget to light up your candles and pray for your loved ones.
At ito na nga ang inyong kalendi, hindi papahuli. At ito na't bumibida sa stage para magsalita. Go, go, go!
Alright everyone, mabuhay! We are from NST Travel and Tour. And we're bringing new styles travel. By the way, my name is Carlo, one of the coordinator of NST Travel and Tour. And it's my new partner.
Mabuhay! I'm Tina Flores. I'm one of the tour guide, the accredited tour guide of Tacloban Tour Guide, and also the tour facilitator of NST Travel and Tours.
Alright, our office is located in Gaya-Gaya, San Jose del Monte City, Bulacan. And what we offer is educational tour. We also have team building activities, pilgrimage, retreat, joiners, and we also have van rentals and bus rentals.
And we have a package included bus, coaster, or van, license driver, gas attraction, tour guide and coordinator, insurance for passenger while on board, and we have DOH accredited ambulance.
Alright, so if you want to have a customized tour package, just contact us. Ayan, NC Travel and Tour is our Facebook page. And also, we have our booth over there. Punta lang po kayo para ma-customize natin yung inyong pupuntahan this summer. So again, everyone, we are from NC Travel and Tours. Mabuhay!
Perfect! Ang bongga, diba? Siyempre, Kalendi yan. Ha? Ako pa ba?
Ladies and gentlemen, on stage again, the NSC Travel Tours.
At di pa tapos ang pagpapasikat ni Kalendi. Ayan, may pa-dance production number pa. Let's go! Simulan na! O, diba? Bongga, sabay-sabay. Alright! Sige, ihataw lang ang ihataw. Kaya niyo yan. Go! O, diba? Hawak nyo ang brief. Ay, mali pala. Beat pala. Hawak nyo ang beat. Sige, hawakan nyo lang hanggang matapos kayo dyan. Laban lang! At ito na nga, dinumog na kami. Pinagkaguluhan na ang aming booth. Artista lang ang peg.
Okay, ang representative ng NSC Travel and Tours, sir. Ano ang ino-offer ng NSC Travel and Tours bukod dun sa special number na nakikita niyo kanina? Alright, so good afternoon, good afternoon. And we are from NSC Travel and Tours. I am one of the coordinator facilitator. And so what we offer is basically educational tours, team building, joiners, pilgrimage, and trip. And then yung barkada, family tours. You also have the restaurant at Masaya. And even our many people. As of now, we are focused on local domestic. But sooner or later, makakaroon tayo ng international. Okay, and we are looking forward na sana tingnan sa Pilipinas ang may-offer ng NSC Travel and Tours sana all over the world. Ang maganda ng mga destination na nakikita ko sa dito sa ano nila. Tanay, Manila, Baguio, Sagara, Pakistay, Bigan, Hawaii, San Felipe, Baler. Kung gusto niyo po mag-travel, dito na po kayo mag-book sa NSC Travel and Tours. Thank you very much, sir. Ang sarap-sarap ng sumunod trabaho niyo bilang isang tour facilitator at tour guide. Sabi sa nakapag-biyahe na sa kapag-biyahe dito. Well, anyway, thank you very much po. Lahat, dito naman po tayo nag-biyahe.
Marami pang mga activities just like this one, ang fashion show. Kaya lang hindi na natin na-videohan kasi nga, nabisi tayo doon sa ating booth. And that's it for today's video mga Kalendi. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating vlog for today. So everyone, please like and share this video and please comment na rin para maganda ang ating bandingan. At sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell para ma-notify ko kayo on my next vlog. So everyone mga Kalendi, this is Eloy. Bye-bye!